You've heard of the cloud, but what exactly is it? Is it magic? Is it a place in the sky? Or is it just a fancy tech term? In this video, I'll explain what the cloud really is, how cloud storage works, and why you probably use it every day without even realizing it. Stick around, because this will change the way you think about storing your files forever. Okay, first things first. The cloud is not an actual cloud in the sky. Instead, the cloud is just a network of powerful servers located around the world. These servers store your files, apps, and data so you can access them from anywhere on any device at any time. Think of it like this: instead of saving your files only on your computer, they're also saved on the internet, so you can access them from your phone, tablet, or even a different computer. Some popular cloud storage services include Google Drive, Apple iCloud, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. So how does cloud storage actually work? It's super simple. Here's what happens when you upload a file to the cloud. Your file is sent to a secure data center, which is basically a giant server warehouse. The file is stored on multiple servers, so even if one server crashes, your data is safe. You can access, edit, or share the file from any device with an internet connection. That's why cloud storage is so powerful. You don't need a USB drive or external hard drive anymore. Still not sure why you should use cloud storage? Here are some game-changing benefits. Access from anywhere. Work on your files from your phone, laptop, or even a public computer. Automatic backups. No more, oops, I forgot to save, moments. The cloud keeps your files safe. Easy sharing. Send files to friends or coworkers instantly without email attachments. More storage space. No need to fill up your computer with heavy files. The cloud has tons of space. Plus, cloud storage syncs automatically, so you always have the latest version of your files. Now, you might be wondering, is my data safe in the cloud? The answer is yes, but only if you take precautions. Cloud services use encryption to protect your data from hackers. Many providers back up your files across multiple locations in case of failure. But your password is the weakest link, so use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Most cloud storage services offer free plans, but they come with limited space, like Google Drive comes with free 15 GB storage. If you store a lot of files, it might be worth upgrading. So, when should you use the cloud? Pretty much all the time. Students, save schoolwork and projects without losing them. Professionals, store important work files and share documents easily. Photographers and creators, back up your photos and videos instantly. Gamers, save progress and settings for different devices. The more you use the cloud, the less you have to worry about losing your files. And that's everything you need to know about the cloud. Now you know what the cloud is, how it works, and why it's so useful. Do you use cloud storage? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more tech explainers. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.